What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're doing a little bit of a frag haul here today. Some affordable stuff. One of those bad boy, what's it called exactly? It's the bad boy, those little like grapefruit sprays. Like it's a, I don't know. It was recommended. It was like 15 bucks. PowerUp spray. That's the name of it. So it's pretty much the one I didn't have besides the newest one named. So this is stuff that was recommended by my subscribers for me to pick up at a live stream I did a few weeks back. And I've got 3 affordable fragrances that we're going to check out here today. And one that I was told Justin seems to like. Shout outs to my friend Justin Copeland. A blue fragrance of all things. That you don't see too often. So we're going to be unboxing these, checking them out. I've never smelled these before. See what they smell like. We'll cross-reference them with the notes. But more importantly, FragranceBuy is running their annual Customer of the Year contest. So all the details will be down in the video description box below with a link to click to enter. They're giving away $5,000 in prizes. And it's going to be running for a little while, so everybody's got a chance to enter with an opportunity to win the golden ticket for the big old shopping spree that they're giving away. So make sure to check it out down below. FragranceBuy does partner with the channel pretty much once a month. So I am appreciative of FragranceBuy for giving me an opportunity to share this information with you guys, bring this video to you. I did pick these fragrances up on my own merit. These weren't sent to me, but you know, they partner with the channel, as well as I buy a lot of fragrance. I mean, a lot of fragrances through them. So if you do happen to buy anything through the links down below, it is an affiliate link where I do earn a small commission. So just wanted to let you guys know that. So have fun entering the giveaway, but we're going to bust these fragrances open and see what's good and what's maybe just okay. And if there's potentially anything bad, which I highly doubt, but you never know. Stay tuned. So the first one we're looking at is Boucheron, I believe it's Singulier. It's a tester, Singulier. So this was an affordable blue fragrance that I forgot who recommended it. Said that Justin Copeland, of all people, Mr. Basic Bro fragrance video guy himself, supposedly likes. I do like the bottle. I gotta say, I do like the bottle. With the natural light coming through to me, you won't be able to see the color of blue. It's actually quite nice. Since it's a tester, we've got information on the back. I don't want to look at notes or anything like that. For being plastic, it's got some heft to it. Clicks into place. So what kind of atomizer we're working with? Decent. That gives me Dylan Blue vibes. But fresher. Greener. Out in the air as I'm wafting it right now. It's not bad. It is not bad. Okay. It's a green spiced shower gel like scent. So blue, very blue at its core. That's like the most generic term for blue is a shower gel scent, right? I think it's a little bit deeper than just a basic shower gel scent, but at the same time, it's not some complexity monster with all these layers and nuance. I don't think it's anything like that. Does smell pretty good though. There's a woody green spicy accord balance here with this shower gel like smell that could be a number of things, but probably the culprit's going to be something along the lines of an ambroxan, because it does smell like that's what's going on here. A little bit of citrus that, based on what I'm smelling here, I'm thinking is grapefruit. I could be wrong here. It doesn't smell like bergamot. It could be, you never know, but I get a little bit of that tartness from grapefruit. Not too shabby. Let's see what kind of notes we're working with here. Got the laptop right here. Parfumos pulled up already. We just need to go ahead and get a fragrance up on here. One moment, please.
More moments later.
Okay. 7.1 out of 10, 27 ratings. Fresh, woody, citrus, green, earthy. So bergamot, grapefruit, so it's both of them. Juniper berry, lavender, clary sage, geranium, loaded down with aromatic notes. Cedarwood, patchouli, vetiver. So it's a combination of these aromatic notes that's giving me that kind of blue shower gel-like, which I was thinking maybe ambroxan type of smell. I guess a little minty from geranium mixed with some lavender and juniper berry. I'm guessing something along those lines, because I do get a little bit of minty freshness. Almost wintergreen like. It is pretty good. I gotta say, is it the best blue fragrance I've smelled? No. Definitely not the best blue fragrance I've smelled. But it was cheap. It was around 40 bucks. It's got a familiarity to things like Dylan Blue. Immediately I thought Dylan Blue when I smelled it, but it's not the same. It doesn't have that smokiness, that rich over-the-top heavy wood accord. There's some woody notes here. Even from the top, I smell a little bit of a woodiness to it. But I don't know, I feel like this is a fresher fragrance overall. A fresher and spicier fragrance than Dylan Blue, but still in that realm of Dylan Blue. What's the other one? Riviera. Blue bottle. It's like a spicy Dylan Blue. I'm drawing a blank on the name, the brand. Some of you know where I'm going with this, but I do like this fragrance. I don't think it's special, but I do like it. I think it's very good. I think Boucheron Singulier, however you say it, is a 7.5 out of 10. This is a solid pickup. I'm glad I have this. In fact, no, let me wait. I don't want to overload my nose. I'm going to wear this today. I'm going to the gym in a little bit, and then I'll refresh after the gym as my scent of the day. I'm going to wear this as my scent of the day. I've learned my lesson in the past in these videos when I'm like, oh, I'm going to wear it today, and I give myself a few sprays. Now I got stuff hanging out my nose. When I still got 2 more fragrances to smell, I don't want to get any nose fatigue yet. But so far, I like it enough to where I'm going to wear it today. 7.5 out of 10. Next, we've got that PowerUp spray in the Carolina Herrera Bad Boy line. It's a tester. It was $15. From what I remember, and the way I was sold on this by a subscriber was it's Bad Boy plus grapefruit. So that cacao sweet type of smell. I don't know. It's got a chance to be really good or really bad. Sure does look like a body spray too. It's an EDT. Yeah. Fresh eau de toilette is what it says here on the bottom. Sorry for the lighting from the mini blinds. Okay. These aerosol can ones, I didn't like this. It was just like their idea behind when Sauvage did the Sauvage Cool Spray, which I didn't care for. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that does smell good, though. Let me try to lightly... God! There was no way around that. Drenched my hand. I was trying to just do a light spray. There's no way. It's a fire hose. So be mindful if you get this. You're going to douse yourself in it. My God. It is inherently bright, fresh, and airy. The grapefruit's very juicy, not tart, not sharp and astringent, and it doesn't come across acidic. It's just smooth and juicy. It's super fresh. I do smell that bad boy DNA, the cacao, that chocolatey, slight tonka bean mix. This is good. For 15 bucks, it is really good. It is a fire hose. If that's how it sprays, this is not going to last. What's the size of this? It's a 100 milliliter bottle, but with the aerosol in there, it puts so much out. I bet this stuff projects like a monster. You go to dousing yourself in this, it'd be easy to bathe in this fragrance. My God. It does smell really good though. Let's pull up the notes, shall we?
12 seconds later.
So, 6.8 out of 10 with 3 ratings for the PowerUp spray. We got grapefruit, pink pepper, black pepper, Italian bergamot, white pepper. So a bunch of different peppers. Vetiver clary sage, cacao absolute, tonka bean, which I do get the base notes early. And it's peppered, but not like you would think when you see all these pepper notes. Pink pepper, black pepper, white pepper. I think if anything, there's more pink pepper because it's a sweet fragrance. And pink pepper typically is a sweet pepper. It's sweeter than it is spicy most of the time. A little bit of some aromatic qualities to it. Yeah, peppered grapefruit with tonka bean and cacao is basically what it smells like. It smells good. Would I want to wear this over any of the other bottles? No, not really. I do like it. It's different for 15 bucks. I feel like it was a great like dice roll just to check it out. And whoops, me dropping it. As I was saying, this thing's easy. It slips out the hand real easy. Good thing it wasn't a glass bottle. It's aluminum can. But I don't think it's special. For 15 bucks, sure. If you're a fan of the DNA, it's worth grabbing 15 bucks. I don't know if it's still in stock currently, but yeah, it's kind of a no-brainer if you like the DNA. It's basically just a fresh grapefruit twist on it, as it indicates. 7 out of 10. It's very good. I don't think it's special. I wouldn't wear it over Original Bad Boy, the Extreme, neither of the Cobalts. That's my two favorites. I'd wear this over the Le Parfum. I don't like to smell like weed. Those days are far, far, far beyond and behind me. So yeah, I would wear this over the Le Parfum, but it's very good, but not for everyone. I mean, it's nothing special. If you can find it, if it is in stock 15 bucks and you're just trying to get to that 5th fragrance to get free shipping, I think this is great for that. Okay, Paco Rabanne Black XS. This was 34, 36 bucks, and I was kind of said, screw it. I don't remember the notes. I've never smelled it before. I've never really given it two thoughts prior about grabbing it. I got Pure XS finally not that long ago, since the beginning of the summer. And I was like, I need to get more from this line. And here we have it. Like the black to clear gradients. I'm a fan of the bottle. Let's put that cap to the side. Let's see what we're working with here. Big spray all over the line. I don't remember what the note breakdown is. We did look at it. I don't remember. I have zero expectation on what it's supposed to smell like here. It's aromatic, spiced, and what is that? Something different. A little boozy, but something distinctive. It's like a liqueur. It's not as spicy as I thought it was in initial blast. That's already kind of faded. Maybe it was my nose playing tricks on me. I don't know. I don't have anything that smells like this. So we're going to put this in the win column right away, because let me tell you, it does smell really good. I like what I'm smelling. It's hard to distinguish what I'm smelling, though. It's hard to really find the words because it's like, it's different. I can't really pinpoint, I think it's this and I think it's that. Something very distinctive. It's very smooth, too. Like, really smooth. Let's pull these notes up. I have no idea what's in here. I can't even say, like, I kind of think it's cedar wood. I have no clue. I really don't. It smells good, though.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, so 6.7 out of 10, 386 ratings. Apparently, not a whole lot of people are big fans of this one. I like what I'm smelling. This is an interesting breakdown. Okay, so we got sweet, fruity, synthetic, spicy gourmand. So I'm not crazy. There's a little bit of spice underneath. Taguettes, Calabrian bergamot, calamondin, which looks like an orange in the picture, sage, black cardamom, cinnamon, tolu balsam, praline, black amber, ebony wood, patchouli, rosewood. That's why it's so different. Ebony wood and rosewood. That's why. That's exactly why I couldn't pinpoint what it is. And I was like, I can't just say it's cedar wood. It's completely different woods, and there's no cedar. That's the two woody notes. That's why it's so different. Ebony wood and rosewood. I don't understand how it can be uninteresting to people. It's very smooth. It's sweet, but it's not sweet like a lot of other things from Paco Rabanne. I mean, I expect sweet from this brand. They kind of make almost exclusively sweet fragrances. Almost everything they put out is a sweet fragrance. But it's got this smoothness to it, and it's not over the top woodsy, but there's this odd woody smell that I couldn't figure out what it was. Now I know it's ebony wood and rosewood. What an interesting combination. The patchouli doesn't take over, maybe later. I don't get loads of praline to give me this gourmand-like sweetness. Like I said, it's just smooth. Tolu balsam makes sense for a light creaminess. I do get a little bit of creamy, so some of it doesn't make sense because I don't specifically smell certain, a lot of these notes, but at the same time, some of the accords that I would think they would create make sense to what I'm smelling. All in all, I think this is the most interesting of the bunch here. I think this is an 8 out of 10. I like it because it's so different from everything else that I have. This is a great summer evening, summer date night fragrance. It's not intrusive and over the top assertive. It's not in your face. Like I said, it's very smooth. It's got a sensuality to it. It's different. That's always a great thing. Man, my first impressions on Paco Rabanne's Black XS, 8 out of 10. Gotta say, pleasantly surprised now that that's over with. I'm gonna do 2 sprays around the neck of Boucheron Singulier. Looks like Singulier. God, that smells good. I'm digging that. Yeah, we're rocking that to the gym in a little bit. Obviously, I gotta edit and upload and all that stuff, so it'll have faded a bit by the time I get to the gym. And then we'll refresh later today. Who knows, we might end up doing a full review. I love me some blue fragrances. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you checking the video out. Again, if you want to check out the Customer of the Year entry, definitely check the link down below and enter there. They're always giving away some cool stuff. FragranceBuy is always running some crazy stuff. They always have good inventory and great prices and early opportunities on a lot of newer stuff. I love buying stuff from FragranceBuy. Maybe check them out if you haven't yet. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications before you leave. And I'll catch you on the next one.